Welcome to Motorman. In this channel we are providing information about different accessories of automotives. Follow the video description and click on the links for more details. Let's watch the video. Rockford Fosgate P1650 Punch. It's a budget speaker with quality by the global leader in audio innovation, that is Rockford Fosgate. It's a pair of 6.5 inches two-way full-range speakers rated at 55 watts RMS each and designed for audio fanatics needing a quality factory replacement. The P1650 offers a flex-fit tube basket to ensure compatibility with most imported vehicles and an integrated concealed crossover, eliminating the need to mount any black boxes. The PEI dome tweeter provides accurate frequency reproduction as well as high volume output. It is exactly what you need to replace your OEM factory speakers with. Impressive sounding speakers built with high-quality materials in an easy-to-install package. The speakers are included with one pair of 6.5 inches two-way full-range speakers, one pair of grills and mounting hardware. Next speaker is JBL GX602. It's a 6.5 inches two-way GX series coaxial car loudspeakers. It's really good choice for sound quality and money. Peak power is 180 watts and RMS power is 120 watts. Plasonia, polypropylene cone. Mounting depth is 2.06 inches. This speaker has decent power to it and has some great sound quality. If upgrading from factory speakers, you will definitely notice a major upgrade in power and quality. Rubber speakers surround and balance dome tweeter can adjust the tweeters by rotating them to the desired hearing location. Next speaker is JVC CSJ620. It's a 6.5 inches CS series two-way coaxial car speakers. Speaker's maximum output power is peak 300 watts and RMS 30 watts. 1-inch polyether imide balance dome tweeter. Featured with a microcone and hybrid surround, built onto a steel stamped frame, to bring you an affordable set of speakers intended to meet or exceed the performance of traditional OEM 6-1/2 speaker. The 30 watts RMS power handling of each speaker allows for user to add a modest amplifier, unlike an OEM speaker, to really bring out the lives of his or her audio system and properly reach the full performance of the CSJ620. Next speaker is Pioneer TSF1634R. It's a 6.5 inches two-way speakers. Maximum output power is 200 watts with two-way full-range car audio speakers. The impedance is 4 ohms, frequency response is 31 Hz to 16 kHz and sensitivity is 88 decibels. Pioneer TSF1634R are an ideal replacement for your vehicle's factory-installed speakers, offering 200 W of peak power handling and vastly improved sound dynamics. Do your music justice and let it be heard the way it should be. Invest in Pioneer quality. Next speaker is Alpine SS65. It's a 6.5 inches two-way speakers. Carbon fiber reinforced plastic woofer cone with specialized rubber surround, 1-inch silk dome tweeter. Handles up to 80 watts RMS, 240 watts peak power. Frequency response, 70 to 22,000 Hz, sensitivity, 88 decibels, and grills not included. Quality speakers for a killer price. Delivers super crisp and clean sound. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel Motorman and press the bell button to get more update and video on Motorman on YouTube.